2008 Volvo XC90 5-cylinder 2.5. We are going to replace the oil pressure sensor. The customer get it from the dealer. All you need is the 24mm deep socket, and let me show it to you. You have to take off the underneath cover. This is the oil filter right here, and you look at it here. Just like that. Okay, I'm trying to show it to you. This is the connector. There's a clip, took it out and put the socket in there, take it out and replace it. I don't know if you guys can see it or no. Sorry about the darkness, but I'm trying to show it to you somehow. I think, yes, right there. Here. This is the location and it's very easy job. Good luck.